a salad. We just need all of these stuff. I got a bucket here and 2 cornerstones to mix. So let's begin. First thing, we need cucumbers. And second thing, salt. Just we'll add a little bit. And then we mix it. Third thing is apple. Next, we'll add fig. We just need to add these. Then start stirring it up. Pineapple. Then we just start mixing again. Look how full there are. And then we need some lemon and oil, honey. Just pour it in. Woo! That's so fun. And look at that. Woo! Ah! We'll add lettuce. Dun dun. And wow. That's so cool. Put that over there, please. Start mixing it. Wow, that was so cool. Mush it in. Okay, done. We need some yogurt. That's a lot. Just pop it in. Oops. Look at that. I think that we need enough. That's too much. Oh, look at that. That's way too much. We need to mix it. Oh, look at that. That's so much. Okay, and then let's serve it. Boom. That's just 2 apples. Guys, the salad is ready. Then, please subscribe to my channel and get a big thumbs up. Click and subscribe. Bye.